Good morning, friends. So in this video, we do discuss about accumulation process. So accumulation is one of the process that institutions, smart people and big players, they try to buy huge quantity without reflecting without influencing the price. मतलब क्या हो? Let's see, I want to buy 100 crores worth of shares. Okay. So if I keep buying at market price, it will keep rising. Okay. So there is no best price for me, right? So what I do, without influencing the price, I should keep accumulating the stocks whenever stock is trading at a discount price. That is said to be limit orders. Generally, institutions keep the limit orders in the market when they are in no hurry. Okay, if they want to do immediately, they need to buy, and definitely price will get spike up, right? So here, let us understand the doses. This gives a lot of information, and moreover, this channel is very different. Okay, so this channel completely focus in-depth analysis. Okay, so see what's happening over here. Doses. Whenever we see doses, that gives a lot of information. Why it is dozy? Dozy is nothing but there is no buying and selling activity. It is there, but it is not reflecting with the price. See, wherever the price opened, it's closed the same price. Means there is no significant control by the buyers or the sellers. So these are all doses. They are telling something. See, let's say somebody selling over here, somebody selling over here, somebody selling over here, because there are upside wicks. Wicks are there, right? Wicks. Okay. But what's happening with the stock at lower prices? See, somebody bought, somebody bought, somebody bought. Means someone is selling, someone is buying, kind of thing. So when the breakout happened above this level, then it is said to be an accumulation process. Okay, and again market dropped, again dozy formation happened. Right, these doses are telling that whatever the selling pressure was there, it is absorbed by the buyers clearly. Right, whenever breakout happened, this entire process is said to be an accumulation. I will explain with another beautiful example. See, try to observe this price. There is a wick downside, and of course we focus on the upside wicks also. There is a wick upside. Means someone sold, means sellers are very aggressive at this price level. What I am doing, I am just marking the resistance level at this price. Okay, so what happened? Market dropped from that level, doses. Okay, here somebody bought, somebody sold, but finally breakdown happened. This is said to be a small distribution. But try to focus with this candle. There is a rejection from the lower side, from the bottom. Means definitely some buying force acting over here. Okay, market went up, and again there is a huge rejection. Definitely whenever market breached this level, let me mark this as a resistance around 723, somebody sold. Okay, this stock is made good return for them. That's the reason they exited from this stock. Okay, it is clearly visible via wicks. Okay, so try to focus on the wicks. Again somebody bought over here, at least recovered. And what about this candle? Again rejected. So I am just trying to mark the lows. I just marked the highs based on the wicks, and I just marked the lows based on the wicks. Okay, another rejection over here. So in a simple way, there is something happening. See, a lot of wicks are there. When market approaches 680, many people are selling. Okay, but what happened? We don't know. Till this point, we don't know what's happening with the price. When price reached these levels, people keep on exiting. Okay, when price breached these levels, they are buying something. But what's the process is going on? If upside breakout happened, okay, this is said to be a consolidation. The entire process here happened, right? This process is said to be an accumulation. So as we discussed, very big institutions, they don't want to influence the price. Without influence the price, they want to accumulate huge quantities. Okay, so their risk and their expectations and their time horizon, holding period, everything is different from the normal short-term and intraday traders. So when Thyrocare Tech, okay, available at 570, 550 odd levels, they thought that it is a good buy. That's the reason they keep on accumulating. And when price breaching these levels, okay, they keep on trim their positions. Okay, so might be other institutions, maybe other retailers keep on exiting, keep on shorting, maybe the smart people accumulating, but we don't know till this point. Once the breakout happened upside, then the entire process is considered as accumulation. Accumulation means बड़े लोग खरीद के बैठा हुआ, right? So technical traders, what they do after seeing this huge breakout, let me delete everything. I make it very simple. I am just marking the resistance level. This is the resistance and this is the support, right? Market, this is resistance and this is the support. Once the resistance got broken, technical traders, short term traders, speculators will come and add positions over here, right? Because a huge breakout happened with great volume, definitely this consolidation is said to be an accumulation. After that, what happened? Let's say you're a technical trader, you bought at this price and it's given a beautiful 35% return. Okay, so you have choice to buy at these lower prices around 560, 570 based on the price rejections, and you have the choice to buy after the breakout. Okay, but if you buy over here, what will happen? We are not sure. Another low may be going to create soon. We are not sure. Okay, of course we can do some assessment and analysis. Based on that, we may get the clear picture, but for time being I am telling this is the support. We are not sure whether it is a support, it is going to hold or not. This is the question mark, right? But after the breakout happened, then we got the clarity that this is a simple accumulation process. Okay, so see, and let me delete the previous. This is an accumulation process, right? The same process I just extended to the right side. What happened? This stock breached whenever reached this level. Okay, see, a lot of wicks are there and people exited. See, 1050 is a good exit point. Who bought over here? They thought that for this stock 1050 is good. Okay, if they feel that, they try to exit at least partially. Okay, let's say they bought 100 shares, they try to exit maybe 50%, 40%, 30%, whatever it may be. But what happened? Focus on at this area, previous consolidation, breakout, again it came into the zone. So if we observe very clearly, a lot of dose is forming, okay, and a bullish engulfing candle, but we are not sure. Again here it might take a little bit consolidation and it may come down. It is also one possible scenario, right? So but if you understand the candlesticks and the context and the process called accumulation, again see, this is a consolidation. Actually the resistance level is this one. Okay, so what happened when market breaching these levels, 656, people are buying. Okay, this is the doji, somebody sold, somebody bought, and this is a bullish engulfing candle giving sort of clues that market is trying to move to the upside, but we are not sure, right? But after these levels, okay, market went up, they came back and breakout happened. Now after this breakout, it is like similar like previous one, right? It's the breakout happened with a very good volume. this small portion said to be consolidation. Okay, is there any way to buy at these levels? Let's switch to the lower time frames, because the question is, can we buy over here? Okay, it will come into our mind, right? Yes, we can buy, but risk reward is not favor, because we have the resistance, but this is the support level. If we take the trade over here, the stop loss would be very high in this case. Of course, the previous case also similar, but in pullback, if you bought, you may enjoy the journey. Of course, after the breakout, even if you bought, it's a good reward in this case, but immediate resistance was there. And what is there any way to buy at these breakout levels? I'm just converting the weekly time frame into daily time frame. Actually, there is sort of resistance. This is a kind of W pattern, right? Double bottom. Here is the bottom, here is the bottom, and a breakout happened. After this breakout, we may take the risk. This is the beautiful breakout, right? Based on the simple price action technical pattern. Double bottom and a neckline got broken with good volumes, decent volumes, not bad. And what we can do, we can buy over here. We may put the stop loss recent swing or recent candle. Okay. So from here, it's given a beautiful reward. It's given almost 17%. We may not book entire, but keep booking partial. That is the one way to look at the things. So in this way, if you focus on the simple candlesticks, wicks, and ranges and breakouts, definitely we are going to get good trades. Okay. So this is all about simple accumulation process. Hope you understand the entire concept. Okay, if you like the information, please hit the like button. If you're not yet subscribed, definitely this channel is different. You will learn a very deep insights from the candlesticks perspective, psychology and everything. So okay, we'll see in next video. Thank you.